Hello guys, welcome to the video. Take it away. Get yours. But this is the. Hey, Creeper, stop it there. You stop. Oh, stop. I don't know you will dig. Hey, stop. You break in my house again. Okay, don't do it my brick. I know. Hey, bro, what is that? I like it. Why are you taking that? I see it. Oh, sorry. I'm the next. Bye. Stick. Oh God. I'm asleep now. Hey, over. No. Hey, sleepy now. Sleep. Hey, what? Hey, bro, sleep. Hey, bro, sleeping. Hey, what are you doing there? Hey, sleeping. Stop it, or oh, stop. I'm not you, sleep. Hey, who are you? You here. I know you here.
Ano makakasapin yung classmate mo sa diba? English dapat.
Not here.
Ano sasabihin sa kanya?
Hey, stop right there. I'm the sleeping. Open now. Who is that asleep? Oh, who is that? Hey, bro. Yo, no. Yo, what are you doing there? Outside? You like outside? You like? Okay, fine. I'm gonna lock. No. Hey, what do you see here outside? You like outside? Not for you. You see outside? I get it. Yeah. I can see it. Oh. Caballo. Is that a horse? Is that? Hey, stop it! No! Stop. Okay. Another one. I stop you in my video. Okay, let's go this. Okay, right. Welcome to my video because and the one and start. Okay, I'll just start. Oh wait, what is that?
May kuha kang pantakot din. Sabihin mo, pantakot ka pagkain ka din.
English. Speak English.
Speak English? I'll get something to...
Okay.
Cover this one.
Wait for me, okay? Wait for me, okay? Okay? Wait for me, okay? Okay? Wait for me, okay? Yeah, I'm here. I'm here, baby. I'm here. I'm here. I'm here. I'm here, baby. Yeah, let's go. Speak English.
English daw, si Charlie.
Lock. going now. It's big. Yo, so cool. Okay. Light, help me.
Ay, hindi na daw yung pag may nagsabi sa'yo. Alis daw kayo, punta kayo sa papa mo. Kasama ka. Hindi ka dapat sasama pag hindi mo kilala. Kahit sabihin na friend ni papa mo, kaya ni mama mo. Basta hindi mo kilala, ha? May mga batang kinuha.
Ang mama ko?
Hindi. Yung mga mama, yung mga lalaki, kinuha nila yung mga bata. Kasi sabi nila, sama ka sa amin. Marami kami chocolate doon. Saka pupuntahan natin papa mo. O, sumama sila. Kasi kinuha sila. O, hindi na sila binalik. Kasama ha, kahit kanino pag di mo kilala ha. Kahit sabihin, paano pag sabihin, kilala ko papa mo. Kasama ka? Kapag sinabi kilala ko mama mo, friend kami yun. Ha? Kasama ka? Kasama ha? Pag sa isip, pag hindi si lolo, kaya sinabi si Sili sa'yo, kasama pag di mo kilala. Hindi naman operate.
Okay. Bye. I'll see you tomorrow. Another day. Bye, brother.
Kaya may mga perla sa loob ng mga